Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable ambient display and changing of clock styles for all the OnePlus mobiles. It's very simple and easy to change various clock styles which are available in the mobile itself. For to make this happen, open settings, then customization. There you can see clock styles option. By tapping on that, you can see different types of clock styles for ambient display. You can select whatever you want, but you can't customize the colors, which gonna happen in Samsung One UI mobiles. If you missed that video, here in the card section or you will find in description box area. Go and check it now. If you enable this ambient display, just tap on the screen once to see the ambient clock along with some notifications. OnePlus keep adding some more cool clock styles for this section in future through software updates. If you want more settings to control the ambient display, open settings, then go to display, scroll down and under customization, you can find an option called ambient display. There you can see some more settings like pick up the phone to show ambient display or tap the screen to show ambient display. And also what to show on ambient display like new notifications, contextual text, display messages, etc. This is how you can customize by your own way. That's all about the video. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.